So see ya you could do come last week almost say
yes. Almost ya yesubanyi.
What say?
Asati pejaba.
Me name someone taking notice of something. Makache mo say dwuma ya ye o sorry anopa na mpe no krati abetumi akotie ba before.
Oh, any no kra.
Why don't you?
Any no kra.
Any dear kwan so with all due respect to your listeners, your tiefo etie ye. Obi a otie ye bi a wetie consistently BF nimsi ye kan kra wa.
Yeah.
And now sorry so now mpe say obi tie education so.
I was a woman in Amakwa about the bag Ghana and CMTV so. But money so like video no be subscribe to the channel no turn on notification that next time videos of this channel also submit to my say munyamunyi no de bia no if me Mr. President to for Mr. President and just somehow sa wadaroma na but money so like video no subscribe to the channel come on my for you by chance you would want to contribute to our studio work sir being it sound internet lights everything but you reach out through number and that's yen sabe kan e be there was so na
so see ya you could do come last week almost say
yes. Almost ya yesubanyi.
What say?
Asati pejaba.
Me name someone taking notice of something. Makache mo say dwuma ya ye o sorry anopa na mpe no krati abetumi akotie ba before.
Oh, any no kra.
Why don't you?
Any no kra.
Any dear kwan so with all due respect to your listeners, your tiefo etie ye. Obi a otie ye bi a wetie consistently BF nimsi ye kan kra wa.
Yeah.
And now sorry so now mpe say obi tie education so.
What you say? Ana say ye educate you. Now mpe say ye be educate you.
Enya ha.
O de political propaganda.
And one ye
and I will pay tea, dear video, and Genuana, what genius conditioned was so. I will pay tea, and Yahan Abignano.
Dabi.
Ahano, yes, you are the educate, inform me. What you say?
Wonderful.
The most important thing is that what truthfulness are a heya. And common be a hokrana, and yen see you, but we discuss it. You do komo ye ho
and you do komo
council bebem
you can't chebia
nesi
etara yetimi kan sem ni bi na ye bie phone lines na nko for free chaboy
last week ye kofa Ghana procurement act restrictive tendering mu kwan a gold board for so mo fa so no mo use restrictive tendering any ade nyina companies aka mo under list mo nyina ye nim mo nyina
ye nim ba kokra
what you say ye die no ho nkomo a ye ka say but the NDC promise say wo mo mfa so sourcing enya
adwuma
because so sourcing one it does not allow for value for money okay the reason is that say contract to honor the Bema company A na yesi ye ma company B ni C bid for contract ni bi but rather ye ni ayatwema ye de ma Kwame company A okay what it means is that ye hu se Kwame the proposals ni I mean quotations or the abani nyina no boa ye am ye nya ade na ye so me no so mfa so de bo ni ye ma ye ni anaso man we will not get to know unless there is competition it is a competition bemua na companies no ye ma obi akwan say open up obi an show the capacity who capacity a ubetimi aye contract ne nko ade a demonstrate it
of course
on your proposals clearly no you have a better option a better chance of choosing a very good option out of the lot etra ha ye di ho nkoma ekowie na jese she say ade so say the no one buy you di ye adwuma ho
no
why so say under big push it is alleged say companies enya road contract under big push ni nyina so nkoya ye hwema na hand pick company we
besenko
sa ne mani bi na sisi ya and them di want to midina court you
40%. Rose means that's 40%.
Why? And for the road contract in this country, woman year quiet down.
Oh yeah.
Rather no, one more the source in the contract now. No more subcontracted the amount.
I'm over for. Ebi mu kura ton. Ono akwaje no za ton.
Yen hwe ni yie
onto this can be to so no aton.
Kware. Yen hwe ni yie
Ebi mu ton.
Enti contractors ni bi ho mu sika aka mu no. Contract ni nyo mo ne de ma wo mo direct o.
Dabi.
Okoji free baby. And wo ye ho adwuma.
Yeah.
And the fact is that baby okoji free and we feel say nipa no is so politically powerful enti obeye adwuma na wie no na ne sika akọ eden akọ
but for sector I like the way
competition
yes.
Now I don't know
this about telcos no more.
I don't know why the telcos cannot do that.
Telcos no ebinim.
Why? Mama Ora Sam George in TSC say you can asema obi antan
there
eh e juma you believe he says Sam George can do for us.
I will believe you.
And nothing you can ask. And I mean believe he say.
I don't know believe.
He's my minister. In charge of communication. I expect him to deliver a certain service.
Okay, who expects it and you will believe it?
I believe
you're different.
The expectations are there, and I believe, sir, our capacity to do it,
sir,
to ensure that certain things will be done right.
Believe
until 2 weeks in Nipa, I mean, we don't have leadership in this country. Debia. And it's not like you call on a particular network and
across
all the networks that you in this country.
All of them. And in this thing, you are expecting a minister who is in charge of that sector.
Meanwhile, my point is that Kwame, any single call be a ube police. Me phones is here and I'm afraid one, I'm afraid for and I'm afraid TB and I'm afraid Dr. Prekesa. Even if it's 1 second, me type, me seeker.
Yet call now me person me yen hello cramin to minka. Not to seeker just like that. Right? So for to be now about baby, the telcos are not communicating to us.
They're not telling us anything. And
NCA and carry
in some way.
Ministry so and carry
in some way.
NCA are they immune to questioning?
Because I said they don't.
Nobody is questioning NCA on anything.
I feel saying can we get some George Bar TV3 key point. At least Kobe use the opportunity to address that. Because Saturday, we'll back key point. Non networks, no way caller, the clarity is not there.
Now, aside that, got data boy, I said data boy as Akosro. As Akosro.
And to be in country as a minister, what you call in this country? You cannot stand on the phone with somebody for about 1 minute to 2 minutes.
And propaganda NDC for especially Samej and Fini John Jenapo. Eyetia Dr. Baomia for 3 solid years. Kontom Ponsam and some anymore, one more carton as with the good and more as saying in the chain aboso. For 3 solid years about multi-purpose that my or Pwalugu and no pay. Within 1 minute, Yankopon at the expose NDC for, or the go many more as what pen this for home to Mamma, we are seeing him said, NDC for Jenny Papa, NDC for 3 moves, NDC for ye be different. NDC nibeti me kumusum kumukra ekumu nipedia. NDC nibeti me achira samato so a we wanu bia enye ye da. That is what they did to Dr. Baomia, but eno ape. Nyankopon yo mo so han. Eno a John Jenapo Energy Minister call Parliament Assurance Committee anim. An honorable editing bisa na say mu opposition na mo say Dr. Baomia na MPP for abo Pwalugu multi-purpose dam project ni mu kro no. And then mu abem mu hwehwe mu akwa akosisen. Mu evidence we him. John Jenapo ba bibie na no a. Oso obi a mbokro no. Contractor ni ye adwuma na so MPP for antam sika bia ama no. Many video na chero ba before then. Tiem kwasha sema Samije if you more opposition or cattle Dr. Baomia so that stupid boy. That thief Samije if from for now. And this former appointment within 2 months. No assessor bear 180 million Ghana cedis akugu ni CD account mu. No assessor dollars, millions of dollars akugu ni dollar account mu. Now a person will change account name no call ni PAD that stupid guy, that corrupt guy, that crop no Samije mpi crop no. Muntie nkwasi asema wo ka eto Dr. Baomia so. Ensemu a enim krono a wo de to Dr. Baomia so ebra no mo opposition. Obra na woni evidence bia. Muntie no wi amon.
For the benefit of tomorrow is being wasted, is being stolen by a few select people in office. And that is the story, the sad story of the Pwalugu Dam. It shows how dishonest, hypocritical, duplicitous Alhaji Baomia is.
Ono Samije mfino. Eze Dr. Baomia eye krofo. all kinds of ankwasiasem we no need evidence bi wo but okay now yentie John Jenapo concession will come make you assurance committee na anywhere about this same project, this same issue.
The Pwalugu Dam contractor was paid $11.9 million. Have you, it may not directly have fallen under your ministry in the previous government, but because of the electricity generation component, I believe you have an interest, and so you will have followed it. Have you done audit to see whether the contractor was paid for work done, or that you believe that he bolted away, as you put it?
No. So far, our preliminary investigation shows that the contractor was not paid for the work done.
So this brief statement, John Jenapo make here, I kill two fundamental propaganda. NDC for no more yet here, Dr. Baomia, any MPP, a no move position. Near the kind. NDC for no more say. Pwalugu multi-purpose dam na adwuma bia nkoso na na edede na MPP for ye dede na Dr. Baomia ye project no na exist only on paper na akọ ground so na adwuma bia nkoso contractor na anya adwuma bia na etoso mienu na almost contractor na anya hwe na so MPP for ya sese sika twitwiri de edi ama no ye ne na konaive abogana kro no ndi omo be ti Dr. Baomia omo be ti MPP for agu but then we see John Jenapo Lady kind was say Eduma course pa there was work done contractor ni ye Eduma near tossum you know as a contractor na Eduma or ye in MPP cry man or one sidimpo MPP a man is bia and is I am true no mucha say Pwalugu Dam no Eduma bia and coso honum contractor na nye Eduma bia na so ya tam is get kiri dia man and then John Jenapo nankasa ba be expose you hey NDC me hwe how Dr. Baomia na ni project we hu na oye say e betimi aboa the people up north, the northern part of Ghana, to invest a lot of time ni energy cracking his brain epe omo mo betimi afund the project na omo sha asem na along the line COVID by ya there was a global economic crisis in the affected one more funding projects na fi omo twetwe omo na ase na we hwe how Dr. Baomia committee a lot of energy trying to secure other funding to make sure the project never cost na NDC free enam touchline ye propaganda e twan talk cancer hu e dina tamo twe na bo so bo no kro no chese as if mu ene omanya power ye bi so ma now no omo kanokore amejanfi Onujuma edi baby di no krono no obo good board. He may think say he's gone scot free, but certain things are in yamba abonte. But I can assure him say very soon he will run. Very soon Sami Jenfi he will run with his tail behind in between his legs. So I have come to realize that NDC as a party, naturally, organically, originally, omo attracting kwasiafo. Sebi omo muntimi use omo adi omo low IQ. And party so deliberately it take it time and make it conscious effort to recruit too. Say be omo Jimmy, omo ba social media metimi aka nkwasiasem. Na omo train you omo wi na omo to omo go social media say omo be di atam na omo kan asem fun. Emfa ansem ankrofo post about NDC party na NDC aban na enko yi emo. Because na me video bi na me chiriche mu how NDC aban in 1 year pay. About be 11.39 billion US dollars. Yenim ni omo de aye na message obenya aboche na wako video no na wahwe comment section ho no na NDC for no omo be comment ye no omo kae ebi se NDC mbo obesia da ebi kra say menchire bank ko a NDC aban ne bo obesia ebi nso timi kan say the entire 2025 no NDC aban na amfa any loan agreement and call parliament for approval anti omo mbo obesia da che say ignorant comment that say bi yes be names comment akoda onim hwe kra e make it say jimisa. But you see we free education am dey ba mom this is the last time I will do this nti muntie na muntie ni most NDC more besia that since am ba bem. But few weeks ago atofo the finance minister be can say under this useless NDC government so mo betimi atua government workers kakra na just o makwa akobo besia. Now in 1 year, we bought 17 billion Ghana cedis. Edi atua abaya juma ya fuake tuya pe. That's it, like paying of government workers' salary. 17 billion Ghana cedis converted by US dollars. We are talking about somewhere 1.7 billion US dollars. But that is not even the point. The Bible tells how NDC are buying about 11.9 billion US dollars a car. Akufo-Addo efiri abem. Akufo-Addo efiri abem. Na your debt stock and number 48